morning student, how are you? I hope you are very well. Welcome to YouTube channel Gyan Manjari Model School. Today, standard 6 subject GE, chapter number 4, adjectives. In the previous video, we discussed about the types of adjectives in interrogative adjectives. In the previous video, we also discussed about the demonstrative adjectives and interrogative adjectives. Now today, we learn about possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives. Last type of adjective is possessive adjective. In these possessive adjectives, possessives means my, our, your, his, her, their and its. Then start these types of adjectives. Some adjectives show position. These adjectives can refer to the first, second or third person they are my, our, your, his, her, their and its. The person's name alone with apostrophe s can also be used to show position in third person. Here, in these types of adjective, possessive adjectives, some adjectives show position. These adjectives can refer to the first, second or third person in singular or plural. First person, second person and third person. First person singular I, second person in singular you, third person he, she or he. In plural, first person we, second person you and he, she and it. Plural they. So here they are my, our, your, he, his, she, her, it, its and they, their. Here in this possessive, they are my, our, your, his, her, their and its. So I just draw the chart so you can easily understand I with my, you with your, he with his, she with her, and it with its. In plural, we with our, you with your, and they with their. Here, this is the possessive. The person apostrophe s, the person's name along with apostrophe s can also be used to show position third person. मतलब कि इस एडजेक्टिव्स में आपको ये क्या रिफर करता है? द एडजेक्टिव्स कैन रिफर टू द फर्स्ट पर्सन, सेकेंड पर्सन और थर्ड पर्सन. और इसमें पॉजिटिव क्या क्या है? तो माय, योर, हिज, हर, इट्स, अवर, योर एंड देयर. And also apostrophe s is can also be used to show position in third person, he, she or it, and plural they also. So for the examples, my books are in my bag. Are in my bag. So here I with possessive is my. So here my books are in my bag. So here my word is possessive adjectives. For the example, my books are in my bag. So here in this, my word is indicate to a possessive adjectives. Then here are your shoes. Here are your shoes. Here this verb your indicate to a possessive and this is a possessive adjective. So here in this possessive adjectives, some adjectives show position. These adjectives can refer to the first person, second person or third person. And in the possessive they are my, our, your, his, her, their and its. The person's name along with apostrophe s can also be used to show position in third person. For the example, my books are in my bag. So here my word is indicate to a possessive adjective. In the second example, here are your shoes. Here your word is indicate to a possessive adjective. Whose shoes are here? Then the answer is your. Your is a adjective. So here this is the possessive adjectives. You just write down in your book. Then move forward our word building. So, have you done this? Then now move forward. Our new topic is word building. word building, we can form adjectives from other words with the help of some suffixes. Take a look at the following table. Here we can form adjectives from other words with the help of some suffixes. Take a look at the following table. For the example, this is the noun and here is the suffix. And then here is the adjective. So here first one is fun. Noun is fun and the suffix is y. So here fun and suffix subtraction, then the answer is funny. Then the adjective is funny. For the example, love is a noun and able is suffix, and then lovable adjective is lovable. Cheer, noun is cheer and the suffix is full. Then the adjective is cheerful. And the nation, noun is nation and the suffix is l. And the adjective is national. So here, verb building, we can form adjectives from other words with the help of some suffixes. मतलब कि we can form adjectives from other words. मतलब कि हम दूसरे वर्ड से adjectives किसकी मदद से लेकर बना सकते हैं? suffixes के मदद से हम बना सकते हैं. Take a look at the following table. For the example, noun is fun and the suffix is y. So here addition fun and y is equal to adjective funny. Our adjective is funny, and then the next noun is love and the suffix is able. Love plus able, yani addition is equal to adjective is lovable. For the example, what we can do in this table, we can form the adjectives from other words with the help of some suffix. So here we can the other words with the help of some suffixes. So here love is noun and suffix is able. So here is the addition is lovable. The answer adjective is lovable. And the next example, noun is a chair and the word help with some suffix. So suffix is here is full. So here cheer plus full is equal to cheerful. And the next one, nation. Nation is a noun and the word of suffix is l. And nation and addition l is equal to adjective is national. So here this is the word building. You just write down and then move forward our next exercise. Okay, student, have you written this? Then now move forward our exercise focus 8. Focus 8. In this exercise, what we do, then put the jumbled words below in the correct order to make sentences. I just write the direct answer. I read the question, bananas this yellow, nice look. Then the first sentence in the correct order is, first of all, demonstrative. Then in this sentence is a plural. That's why I put over here is demonstrative is in plural this. And the adjective is yellow. This yellow, and this sentence is in a plural. That's why these yellow bananas look nice. Look nice. Here is a demonstrative adjectives. So in the sentences in a plural. That's why I put over here this in a plural, and the adjective is yellow. These yellow bananas look nice in a correct order. The next one, the cold water in the pool is. Then the correct order is the water, and this sentence is in a singular. That's why I put over here is the water is cold in the pool. In this sentence here, cold is our adjective. The pool is quality. Here quality is a cold. That's why our cold is a adjective. This water is cold in adjectives, and the types of quality adjective, qualitative adjectives. And the third one, the answer, the question is homework the boys enough have. Then the correct order is the first of all the, and the subject our is boys. This sentence is in a plural. That's why the boys have enough homework. Here the enough word is our adjective. And the next one, Vasant is the flat 10th the. Then the correct order is the 10th flat is Vasant. Here is the 10th. Here order means number, type of number adjectives. We discuss about adjectives of number. So here the 10th word is our adjectives. The 10th flat is Vasant. And the next one, borrow some, can I money you from. So here in this sentence is in an interrogative sentence. So first of all, put over here as a permission. So put over here, can I borrow some money from you question mark. So here some word is, what types of adjectives this is. Then the answer is here adjectives of number, because here you can answer is, some, any. So here several, many, of you, like this. So here some is also adjectives of number. So here, can I borrow some money from you? In this sentence is interrogative, so put over here ask permission. So here start with can I borrow some money. Some is our adjectives, some money from you. And then the next one is much, how, drink, water do you in a day. And this sentence is also interrogative, ask this question. So here start with how much water, and here you can't countable for the water. So here put over here how much water do you drink in a day. And the last is question mark. So here how much is also a type of adjectives of number. So here this is the first exercise, focus A, jumbled word below in the correct order. To make sentences you just write down in your book, then move forward over focus B. Okay student, have you written this? Then now move forward. Our next exercise is focus B. What do we in this exercise? We just filling the blanks with the correct words from the brackets. Focus B. Filling the blanks with the correct words from the brackets. Start with base. Do you see? Do you see blank in the bracket, that or those? Rock. So student, can you answer me? Is this sentence is in a singular or plural? Then the answer is sir, this is the sentence is in a singular. That's why here the right answer is demonstrative is in the singular. That. Do you see that rock? Do you see that rock? Because this sentence is in a singular. That's why the right demonstrative is a that. Do you see that rock? And the next one, Lucy. Lucy says, blank. Which or what? Rock the one. Rock the one blank near in the bracket our or those 10. Here two blanks in this sentence. First of all, blank rock. This particular answer ask this question particular things. That's why which rock. Notice the right answer is what rock. Then the answer is which rock. Which rock, the one near in the bracket our or those 10. Here this sentences speak about the Bess and Lucy. So here is a possessive. So that's why the right answer is our 10. Our 10. Because this is a plural in this third person they. So sorry, we, first person we change into our. Though in this sentence two blank in this sentence. First of all, talk about the rock. Then the right answer is which rock. Then the one near blank in the bracket our or those 10. Then the right answer is our 10. And the next one, Bess says yes. Yes. Do you see? Yes. Do you see scorpion under it? Scorpion under it. Then Lucy says, oh my, it is green. Is it green? Is it green? Then the blank and in the bracket its or my tail is really long. Tail is really long. So Bess and Lucy talk about the scorpion. Do you see scorpion under it? Then Lucy says, oh my, is it green? Then this talk about the scorpion, and this scorpion include in a third person it. That's why is it green? Then the correct possessive is its tail is really long. Not talk about the Lucy अथवा मतलब कि nor a Bess. Not talk about Bess or Lucy. Talk about the scorpion. And the scorpion included in a third person it. That's why the right answer is its tail is really long. And the next Bess says that is a special kind of scorpion. We find it only here in North Africa and the Middle East. So here you just write down the right answer in your book. Okay student, what is your homework? Then write down your homework. Write this exercise. Write the exercise. Exercise focus A or B in your GE book. What is your homework? Your homework is write the exercise focus A or B in your GE book. What we did learn in this video, you just write down in your GE book. Further moving practice, we will in our next video. We will meet in our next video. Thank you very much. Have a nice day, student.